Hey guys, have another quick sit real quick. This one I believe was from Amazon. So this is the Reina um, Mason Alhambra. This is an inspired by fragrance. This took a couple days to come in. Let me tell you guys the scent notes. The top notes are floral accords. Middle notes are soft fruits, powdery musk. Base notes are warm amber and vanilla. That's all it says. That's what it says. Yeah, and this is a good year-round fragrance. So doesn't really give, just says fruity or floral accord. Wow. Oh wow, that smells super good. I get marshmallow in there. Yeah, that's really good. Now that I have 100 million already put on me for the day, but at least it smells good. It's a concoction of everything. Yeah, that, I don't know how it smells. And it says transitions well between warm and cool weather. Floral and fruity notes with warm amber and vanilla. So yeah, you get like the pretty. This one, how much did I pay for it? Now that I signed out. It was $23. Yeah, it's a good one. And I know it's an inspired fragrance. I just don't, God, it smells really good. Thank you guys for being here with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. You know, I'm obsessed with scents and I'm a gourmand lover, so my scent profile may be very different from yours. But I am trying to broaden and get into the more floral, fruity type because I'm not a floral person. I'd rather smell like food. But it's, I want to explore other things. But this is a good place for me to start because this is a very almost gourmand. It is not a gourmand, but it's got that vanilla, it's got that warmth, but it's got the floral fresh too. I got stuff all over me, but it all smells good. Everything I bought smells good. I promise you. But I'm getting like a marshmallow note, like a fluffy note in the background. That's really good. But anyway, thank you guys for being here. Make sure you hit your bell notification and you also check out my daily lives. That's the first way you will know what I picked up that day and how to get your hands on it. Because if you wait for the long videos, it's going to take a while. But I do appreciate you watching this video too. Please, if you see the hype button down below, please hype this video. It's free to do and it really helps the algorithm love me. And I need all the help with the algorithm I can get because, with everybody, it's going to go up and down all the time. But I'm a newer monetized channel, so I need a lot of that extra. And also thumbs up the video. And if you don't like it, thumbs down the video. Whatever you feel like. And I will see you guys soon. Love y'all. Bye.